Fact 1. Harpy eagles are one of the largest and most powerful eagles in the world. Fact 2. They are native to the tropical rainforests of Central and South America. Fact 3. Adult harpy eagles have a wingspan of up to 6.5 feet, 2 meters, and can weigh between 10 to 20 pounds, 4.5-9 kg. Fact 4. Female harpy eagles are generally larger and heavier than males. Fact 5. They have distinctive black and white plumage with a gray collar around their neck. Hey animal lovers! Please subscribe, hit the like button and smash that notification bell icon for more videos like this.